Hi, this is Strawberry Kandi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this candy strawberry charm. I saw these as keychains and necklaces in my Etsy shop, and I've got a lot of comments asking how to make them, so I'm going to show you today. I will put the candy pattern for this charm on screen, so if you already know how to make a charm, you can just go ahead and use the pattern. If not, don't worry, I will go through everything step by step in this video. So you're going to need 33 beads of your strawberry color, red or pink, 19 beads of your green color, and 7 of your seed color, so I use a cream or light yellow. You will also need a string. It doesn't have to be elastic. Anything that is durable will work. And I don't know the exact measurement, but you will need at least a wingspan, so if you hold one end in each hand and stretch it as far as your arms will go, that's about the length that you'll need. And I just want to say I'm very sorry if my camera looks weird or focus is strange. The lens is shattered and I need to get a new one. Okay, so the first step is to take both ends of your string and join them together like this. And to start off, we're going to take one green bead and put it on this top string here, and one pink bead and put it on this bottom string. Then we're going to take another green bead and put it over both at the same time. I'm going to pull that all the way down to the bottom of our string, pull that down to the bottom. It should look like that. We are going to repeat what we just did 4 more times. So you want to make sure that you remember which string you put the green on and which you put the pink on, so that you can keep it consistent the whole time. So this one on top is the green one, this one on bottom is the pink one, and then another green in the middle, like that. Pull it down again. I'm just going to do that 3 more times. All right, so this is the length that should be out once you're done. We have this one green bead on the end here that we want to secure in place and also move our string over to the other side. So to do that, we are just going to take each end of our string and move into the bead next to it on either side without adding any beads there, just to hold it in place. Just pull it on both sides like that. Let's start with the green side. We will come back to the pink side in a minute. What we're going to do is add a green bead onto our string and then just put it through this bead here and pull through. We're going to do that for the rest of the row. Now we're at the other end. I'm going to flip over to the pink side again for a second, and what I'm going to do is put on one of my seed colored beads and then go through this bead here. Pull that through, and then I can fill in the rest of these spots with pink beads. So now that we have both ends of our string over on this side, we can hold both ends together, put a green bead over both at the same time, and move that down. And we can secure that bead in place just like we did on the other side by pulling it through both of the beads on the side next to it. Perfect. There we go, that's how it should look like so far. So let's finish off the green part. What we're gonna do is move our string inside through here and then add a green into each of the empty spaces like so. Okay, now that we're over here, what we're gonna do is we have to loop around the side just like we did with this bead. So we're just gonna do that again. We wanna get our string over to the other side, so we're just going to weave it through where we have already gone. Like that. You just pull it through the beads again. You're going to come out of this bead here and come into that bead on the side of it here. Now you want to come back up through this middle bead in the center, and I'm going to put a green bead on, and then you come back through that bead again. And then you pull it tight. And that right there is your stem. So to finish securing off this top part, we're just going to keep going around and weaving through where we've already gone. Okay, so that's the top part all done. That's how it should look. I'm going to leave that string there for now, and we're going to finish the pink part. So we need our string to come out of this bead here, so we are going to start by weaving through over to that side. Pull it out of this string here, and now we can start adding our beads on. For this row, it's a pink bead, another pink bead, a third pink bead, and then 2 yellow beads on the end here. And to secure that in place, you're gonna put it in the bead above it. And now we are gonna weave all the way through again to the other side. You will have to do this a lot. And technically you only have to do it once. Like I just made my way over to the other side. You could come through this bead and start on the next row. But whenever I make mine, I always go around twice. I think it helps it be spaced more evenly, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, once you come back inside through this bead here, you can start again on the next row. This one, you're gonna do 2 pinks in a row, then a seed, and then another pink. And you could technically put the seeds wherever you wanted. This is just where I put them. I flip that around, and now we're ready for the next row. This next row is all pink. Put your string through the bead above it again. And once again, we're gonna weave it through to get our string to the other side. If you just wanna go to the other side and stop, you can, but I'm gonna go around and then come back over this side. Come back inside through here, and we're ready for the next row. This one will be 3 pinks and then a yellow. And there's not gonna be a bead on either end here, so we are going to go straight into this bead here to get started on the next row. But actually first, I'm gonna come around to the other side and loop it on both ends just so it's symmetrical. Let me just secure it on the other side, and now we're ready for the next row. Let's start with a yellow bead and then 2 pink beads. I'm gonna flip it around for the next row, put a pink down, put it through here. This spot right here is gonna be our last seed bead. Just come in through here, and then put 2 more pinks down. If you need to add more string on, you can do it just like this. Just hold 2 pieces of string together and then tie them in a knot like this. Then you can just cut off the excess and keep going. And again, we need to be coming through this bead, so we're gonna be weaving around. Now once your string is in this position, you are ready for the next row. It's just gonna be 3 pink beads. And to secure it, we are just gonna pull our string straight through this bead underneath. And I'm gonna go around to the other side and do the same thing too. Okay, and for the next row, it's just 2 pink beads. And you'll need to secure that again too. And again, you want your string to come into the inside here so that you can put on your final bead. And then you'll just need to loop around that the same way. There you go. So that's how it looks once you finish adding all the beads in. Okay, I just pulled the strings off to the side to show you how to tie them more easily, but you can really tie them in a knot anywhere on any other piece of string. All you have to do is just find a piece of string that's already there and tie around it. And you want to do that on both ends of string. Yeah, just double or triple knotting it should work just fine. Like that. And there you go. And there it is all done. Now you can put this on a keychain or necklace or whatever you want. I will be making more tutorials for my other charms in the future, my mushroom and bee charms, so stay tuned if you'd like to see that. My shop will be reopening next month, so I'm so excited to get back to making orders for you guys. I hope they have a great day and a great new year, and I will see you very soon. Okay, bye.